Welcome to Global Online Classes YouTube channel. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. If you subscribe, it will be useful for us and it will be encouragement for us to produce different types of videos for your kind information. So please subscribe, share, like and comment. Okay. So in this video we shall learn about the 74th Amendment Act of 1992. This act has added a new part, that is 9th A, to the Constitution of India. Okay, what is the new part? What it consists? And from which provisions, from which articles it has been taken, and from which article it is dealing. Okay, today we shall go for that. Okay, 74th Amendment Act of 1992. This is the act. This act has added a new part, that is 9th A to the Constitution of India. See, this is the 74th Amendment Act of 1992. To this act added a new part, that is 9th A. That is means 9th A. Okay. So what it consists and from which article it deals. In this video we shall learn about it. Okay. So in Indian Polity book, Lakshmikant Indian Polity book, it has been given in a paragraph form. So I will explain in the paragraph in a point wise. Okay, 1, 2, 3 like that, point wise I will explain. Please view the video. So 74th Amendment Act of 1992. This act has added a new part, that is 9th A to the Constitution of India. So this act has added a new part, that is 9th A to the Constitution of India. To the Indian Constitution, 74th Amendment Act 1992 added a new part, that is the 9th A. Okay. 9th A. Second point, this part is entitled as the municipalities. This part is entitled as the municipalities. That means some of the rights has been given to the municipalities. Okay. Third point is and consists of provisions from articles. The 74th Amendment Act 1992, it consists of provisions from articles, that is 243P to 243ZZ. Okay, consists of provisions. Provisions means you know that some of the constitutional matter that is added. Fourth point is, in addition to that, the Act has also added a 12th new schedule to the Constitution. 12th new schedule. One of the 12th new schedule has been added to 74th Amendment Act 1992. Fifth point is this 12th schedule contains 12 schedule which is added to the 74th Amendment Act 1992. What it contains or what it consists, otherwise what it reveals. In this, whatever added this 12th schedule, 18 functional items of municipalities. In this schedule, there are 18 functional items of municipalities. That means municipalities, whatever they have to do. That means what are the functions of the municipalities, what the municipalities, how they should function, what are the items. Some of the items are furnished in that. In which 74th Amendment Act of 1992. In this, a 12th schedule is added that contains 18 functional items of the municipalities. Functional items means, functions means they have to do the work. That is the functionals. That deals with the Article 243W. That deals with the Article 243W. Okay. Next, sixth point. Let us go to the sixth one. The Act gave constitutional status to the municipalities. That means the Act, the added Act which is added to the 74th Amendment Act 1992, that gives constitutional status. Constitutional status means it is some of the powers to the municipalities. Next, seventh point. It has brought them under the purview of justiciable part of the Constitution. Justiciable part of the Constitution. That it has been brought. That means is 74th Amendment Act of 1992. That has been brought them under the purview of judicial part of the Constitution. That means justiciable. That means whatever the municipalities have some of the problems or they are facing any problems, for that some judicial part of the Constitution. That means they can have some of the judicial facilities. Okay, next, eighth point. In other words, state governments are under constitutional obligation to adopt new system of the municipalities in accord with the provisions of the Act. According to the provisions of the Act, the state governments are under constitutional obligations to adopt a new system of the municipalities. That means the municipalities also some of the new methods they can implement with the guidance of the state government. So, ninth point, we shall go to the ninth point. The Act aims at revitalizing and strengthening the urban governments so that they function effectively as units of local government. That means, what is the aim of adding a new part to the 74th Amendment Act of 1992 means, the ninth point is, that means local bodies, whatever local bodies or whatever municipalities are there, they should, that means revitalizing, again giving new life to the municipalities and strengthening them. And if revitalizing and strengthening them with their law or constitution, the municipalities may work effectively so that the people of the municipality area can have a good facilities. This is the 74th Amendment Act 1992. The new part has been added to the 74th Municipality Act Amendment Act 1992. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, share.